Unlock your t-shirt design potential with the magic of AI right now. Let's dive into creating some seriously cool t-shirt designs using Leonardo AI first. You'll want to head over to the Leonardo AI platform and log in or sign up once you're in. Navigate to the AI image generation tool. This is where the magic happens. The key to amazing AI art is your prompt for t-shirts. Be specific, think about the style, theme, and most importantly, if you want a seamless pattern, include seamless repeat in your prompt. Let's try this psychedelic retro mushroom pattern for t-shirts. Seamless repeat, vibrant colors, then hit generate. See these results? Leonardo AI gives you multiple options, browse through them, and select the one that best captures your vision. If you're not completely satisfied, don't worry. You can tweak your prompt and generate again. Once you've found a design you love, click on it to view it larger for t-shirt printing. Image quality and resolution are crucial. Leonardo AI generally generates high-resolution images, but always check the download options. Download your chosen design in the highest resolution available now. Let's talk text. Many t-shirt designs incorporate text, so you can either create text separately in a photo editing program after generating your graphic, or try to guide Leonardo AI. For instance, you could try prompting something like a minimalist mountain silhouette with the word adventure integrated into the design. For a t-shirt, clean lines. It might take a few tries to get the text placement just right, but it's a powerful way to combine elements. Alternatively, if seamless integration of text proves tricky, download your graphic and then use a program like Photoshop or Canva to add and style your text on top for maximum control. Remember to save your final design in a print-ready format, usually a PNG with a transparent background if your design has no background or elements extending to the edges. With Leonardo AI, you have a powerful tool to create unique, eye-catching t-shirt designs that truly stand out. Experiment, explore, and let your creativity shine.